Hey guys, good evening. Actually, I have been very tired whole day because I was sick. I am sick. I have very bad running nose and I have a lot of fever and I have to travel in 4 hours. So I have been busy packing and then other stuff. I just took hair wash. I first thought since I have severe cold and fever, I will not wash my hair. But if you have seen my previous vlogs, I have been traveling a lot and my hair was really oily. So I had to take wash of that. Currently I am wearing just a white t-shirt and a sweater to give me little warmth, but probably I will change it before travel. I am also uploading my yesterday's vlog. So my yesterday's vlog is uploading. I still have 3 more minutes before the vlog goes live. Hey guys, I'm going to the airport. I am in the taxi right now and this is just close by area to the Bangalore International Airport. Canon. So we have almost reached the airport. It's the Bangalore International Airport. This is the new airport. Previously the airport, it was in the HAL area, which was totally inside the city, but now the airport is outside the city. It's quite far. Actually it's very far, totally outside the city, but it's a very huge airport and is of very good international standards. So that's okay. So we have almost reached the terminals. I think initially it's the domestic departure and then it's international departure. This is the airport taxi which is called the Meru cab. This is one of the best taxis in Bangalore. If you want to travel, I would suggest to use the Meru cab, which is better than the airport taxi actually. And this is all my luggage. We have a lot of luggage to carry, but I think I cannot help it. I tie these kind of ribbons on my luggage so that it's easy to identify my luggage when it's on the belt. My brother has come to help us out. That's my husband. So this is all the things. These two are the cabin bags and the diaper bags, and other are the check-in bags. I'm going to check in all that 3 luggage because we have already paid in advance for all the extra luggage charges. So this is in and around the airport area. People arriving here, and that's the place where we have to go. And then I am carrying my baby. He is in his baby carrier so that he is close to me and easy to carry also. And this is me. I just reached the airport. What I am wearing a polka dot shirt which is from Lifestyle Bangalore, and I'm also wearing a white sweater because I have got little bit of cough, cold and fever. I am wearing this red tilak on my forehead that my mom has given me. It is supposed to be very auspicious, so she has given us curd and sugar to eat, which is supposed to be very auspicious, and also this tilak on the forehead. Other than that, I'm wearing my regular makeup and the kajal. We just reached the airport. Right now I am in the baby care room. This is Himalayas baby care room. So everything is decorated by Himalayas. And then there is a small baby crib as well. And then the feeding chair. And there are some boardings about the Himalaya products. My husband is also in the baby care room currently because I needed help. And that's it. What am I wearing is this. I'm wearing a front open shirt which is from Lifestyle Bangalore. I'm wearing my maternity jeans, which is from Mother Care. I also showed this in my haul video. And this shrug is a woolen shrug. It is white and it is from somewhere in Singapore. I don't remember exactly. So this is it.